Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a tiny village nestled amidst rolling hills and glistening streams. The villagers were known for their kindness and their love for nature. They lived harmoniously with the animals that roamed the surrounding forests. In this village lived a young girl named Lily. She had a heart as pure as a crystal and a spirit as free as the wind. Lily had a special connection with the animals and spent most of her days exploring the woods, accompanied by her loyal companion, a playful fox named Oliver. One summer's day, as Lily and Oliver ventured deeper into the forest, they stumbled upon a hidden waterfall. Its cascading waters sparkled under the golden sunlight, and a beautiful rainbow arched gracefully above it. The sight took their breath away. But something seemed amiss. The waterfall's once gentle flow had dwindled to a mere trickle. Lily knew she had to help restore its glory. Determined, she embarked on a quest to find the source of the problem. With Oliver by her side, Lily trekked through dense thickets and climbed steep cliffs. Along the way, they encountered woodland creatures who offered guidance and support. Wise old owls shared their knowledge of the forest, nimble squirrels pointed out hidden paths, and gentle deer led the way through uncharted territory. Finally, after days of exploration, Lily reached a cave at the heart of the forest. Inside, she discovered a mystical creature called the water spirit. The spirit, trapped in a tangle of vines, explained that a magical crystal, the source of the waterfall's life force, had been stolen by a wicked sorcerer. Moved by the spirit's plight, Lily vowed to retrieve the crystal and restore balance to the waterfall. Armed with courage and determination, she set off on a perilous journey to the sorcerer's lair. With her quick thinking and the help of her forest friends, Lily outsmarted the sorcerer's traps and finally reached the chamber where the crystal was kept. She gently touched the crystal, and a surge of energy flowed through her, filling her with a newfound strength. As Lily returned to the waterfall, she placed the crystal back in its rightful spot. Instantly, the water began to flow again, cascading down the rocks with a melodious sound. The rainbow reappeared, stretching across the sky in a vibrant display of colors. News of Lily's brave deeds spread throughout the village, and the villagers celebrated her as a hero. They recognized the importance of living in harmony with nature and pledged to protect the forest and its creatures. From that day forward, Lily became the guardian of the forest, ensuring that its beauty and magic thrived. She continued to explore the woods, accompanied by Oliver and surrounded by the love and gratitude of her animal friends. And so, the village and the forest lived in perfect harmony, thanks to the courage and compassion of a young girl named Lily. Her story served as a reminder to cherish the natural world and the incredible power of unity and kindness.